DRONERESPONDERS and DRONELIFE announce monthly webcast. Public Safety Drone Review, the drones, technology and trends that impact public safety. The Public Safety Drone Review is a new monthly resource for the public safety community. This free event will be held live on February 7, 2023 at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on the first Tuesday afternoon of each month going forward. The Public Safety Drone Review is a free webinar series, sponsored by DRONELIFE. Drone News of the Week hosted by DRONELIFE Editor Miriam McNabb and veteran Public Safety Officer Tim Martin. The Public Safety Drone Review will be a one-hour conversation on the drones, technology, trends, and current news that impact public safety. With occasional guest speakers, Miriam and Tim will address the newest developments in the use of unmanned systems, and address or research questions from the audience. After the live event, find the Public Safety Drone Review on the DRONELIFE TV YouTube channel. DRONERESPONDERS is the world's leading non-profit program with over 7,000 members dedicated to uniting aerial first responders, emergency managers, and search and rescue specialists help learn, train, and test with one another with the ultimate objective of maximizing drone operations for public safety. DRONERESPONDERS program is led by Director Chief Charles Werner, RET, and is an official 501(c)(3) nonprofit Drones for Good program of AIRT Incorporated. Timothy Martin is a recently retired police captain with 28 years of law enforcement experience, serving as the UAS program manager for the Huntington Beach Police Department for more than 5 years. Tim has extensive public safety UAS experience in patrol operations, crowd management, special events, 3D mapping, and indoor tactical flying. Tim is currently the Director of UAS Training with the Los Angeles County Regional Training Center, where he leads a professional team of public safety UAS experts in training hundreds of police and fire UAS teams from all over the world. Tim has presented at multiple UAS conferences on many aspects of UAS deployments, training, policy, and best practices. He is also an advisory board member for DRONERESPONDERS and UAS subject matter expert for the International Association of Chiefs of Police, Department of Justice COPS CRITAC program. Miriam McNabb is the editor of DRONELIFE.com, a global commercial drone news site established in 2013 to support and inform the industry. DRONELIFE is proud to support the public safety community as a sponsor and platform for the Public Safety Drone Review. Don't miss the first Public Safety Drone Review, Tuesday, February 7th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See the article on DRONELIFE.com for the free registration link.